Ladies and gentlemen of the vlog, we're on a mission for Bodie Bear Bennett. Bodie has been pretty well behaved throughout this quarantine, right?
Yes.
He has been watching, however, a lot of YouTube, and he's found himself watching these Coke and Mentos videos, and now he wants to do his own, right?
And it's gonna be my own YouTube video.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Are you going to introduce it and everything?
You're gonna introduce everything.
Okay. So keep a lookout for Bodie's own YouTube video. No, it's going to be in this vlog. We're going to go look if there's a parking lot right near our house, and if there's nobody there, then we'll do it there. If not, we'll try again tomorrow. So wish us luck.
Okay.
Bodie, what's your YouTube channel going to be called?
It's gonna be called the Bennett Family YouTube Vlog.
We already have that channel. Uh-oh, looks like there's somebody here, dude.
No, there's not. What?
This car's always here, so it might be like an employee.
Where are we going to do it?
All right, we're in the parking lot. We have our supplies.
Ready? You
Yeah.
can start. Let me open them.
Let's do it away from the car.
Let's come over here, Bodie.
Papa.
Hold these. First, I'm going to undo the lid. All right.
Okay. I'm gonna put the whole thing in here.
As soon as they go in, they're gonna start fuzzing.
I know.
I'm gonna put the whole thing in.
All
Stay
right.
back, Kobe.
Is it going to fall?
Christopher.
You do it.
Oh, you're filming?
I'm gonna
Yeah.
run.
My bad.
You're gonna fall. You're gonna do it. I'm gonna run.
I'm doing it. I thought you wanted to do it. Come over here. I need your help.
Okay. If it explodes on me,
I haven't even put them in
I'm
yet.
gonna run.
You're gonna put all of them in?
We're trying to get as many as I can in.
Mom?
Yeah.
Dude, don't be mad at me if it explodes and I can't get the lid on, okay?
Okay.
Just get them all in your hand first and then drop them in.
It starts reacting after one.
Where's the lid?
Okay, so maybe just do like half of them.
Where is the lid?
Hold this.
Where is the lid?
If I'm able to do this, you're throwing it, okay?
Watch out, Cove.
Go back up.
I'm backing up.
Yeah, that's a better idea.
If all of it explodes.
Yes.
Wait, okay.
I'm good.
All right.
Watch out, Cove.
Bodie, you want me to toss it or you? Me or you?
Cove, watch
You.
out. Wait.
I'm
It's
backing
already
up.
gone.
Watch out, the baby! That didn't explode.
No, it didn't.
Dad!
We can't. It's already
I think
exploded.
we needed more Mentos in there.
Yeah.
Can I touch it?
No, dude. That was a fail. You know what we need to do?
Test one.
Test one.
Failed.
We need more Coke bottles. Go.
I got the bag.
Come borrow.
I don't want to.
Can't do it anymore. We just wasted it. It failed.
We gotta try it again. Take two.
We need another Coke bottle. Come get these mints. So that was attempt number one.
And that was a fail.
That was a big fail, right?
Yeah.
Where do you think we need to improve?
We'll improve tomorrow.
Yes. We're gonna go back. Casey's gonna order us some more Coke for delivery, and we'll pick it up tomorrow. And some more Mentos, and I'm obviously not the guy that needs to be responsible for putting the Mentos in the bottle because I only 2 managed to get in and there wasn't enough velocity.
How
Right?
many did you get in?
2. I had like 6 in my hand and I tried to pull them in and 2 of them went in and the other 4 fell on the floor.
Why don't we funnel, like put it, maybe funnel it?
Genius. We need this paper, roll them in, throw it in. Well, because I tried to do it so quick to get the lid on.
Well, it's not, they're not gonna go in like a funnel because they're so big, you know?
I was just trying to keep the lid as close as I could so I could get it on quickly.
Yeah.
Attempt 1, Bodie. It was a little bit cool, right?
Yeah, but that was still a fail. We're gonna do it tomorrow.
All right.
I'm gonna see you on the next vlog.
All right. See you See you later, people. Thumbs up, subscribe, get ready for Mentos' amazing stuff tomorrow.
Subscribe because my Cocoman, my family, I'm gonna be there, my mom's gonna be there, my dad's gonna be there, and my brother's gonna be there.
Co's telling you to say ciao.
Good ciao. And I'm gonna throw it down on the ground, and it's going to just explode up in the air.
Yeah, well, we need more than one bottle. We need like 10 so we can practice, right?
You mean you need 18?
Okay, 18, Mom.
Mom, we need 18 bottles.
And a bunch of Mentos. All right, see you later.